driving this Toyota Camry for a couple of weeks now, and I'm just going to do a little video on where the heck do you dim the dash lights, because in amongst all these instrument clusters down here, this is sitting in the driver's position, you really can't see that in under there's two little, looking through the steering wheel now, or around the steering wheel to show you this, you've got the odometer reset here, and you've got the dash lights dimming and brightening here. But that's something that I hadn't been able to find because it's not within a direct line of vision from where I was sitting anyway. So yeah, up and over, maybe if you were taller you'd be able to see it. So there it is, it's from the steering wheel here, it's on the dash right here. So behind the stalk, you've got the trip reset there, and you've got the odometer, the odometer, speedo, everything. That's your dash lights, brightening and dulling right there. So there they are, hidden, and I'm sure there's people who haven't been able to find them, but once you know where they are, then they're really simple. You got your, just down here below them, you've got opening your petrol cap, opening your boot, turning off the electronics, the traction control system, and that there is the high beam, automatic high beam dipping.